Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about the web technology lab. Let's see the experiment 1. Simple web design using HTML and create a document that contains to HTML5 standards and have the following element. And see the our site is very simple. It consists of a page heading and 3 sections. Each section contains subheading and some text. You can make it dummy text. It does not matter. Section 1 dummy text plus all types of hyperlinks, external link with target internal link, bookmark, email link, phone link and clickable image. Section 2 dummy text plus definition list, ordered nested list and unordered nested list. Section 3 dummy text plus a table in the given format to display information in rows and columns. All HTML pages must pass the official HTML5 specifications via not you are not allowed to use BR tag and any CSS. And let's see the doc program. And HTML head title experiment 1 title head body C++ language H3 ID 1 C++ H2 C++ is general purpose programming language created by Abjam Storpus as an extension of the C program language or C with classes. The language has expanded significantly over time. Modern plus and the external link and internal link, email, phone link and history, and the first item of the tensed list, second item of the nested event list, and this is the nested event further, and this is 1 2 first item of yet another number list, second item of yet another number list, second item, third item. C++ core guidelines. The core guidelines are initiated led by Storm, and let's see the rows. We created the rows and we can see the program here output, and we got the output here. And external link, we can see the external link in the down, and HTML page and email link and phone link and the image. And we go to the C++, the C++ is opening, and next we go to the history, and the history is open, and next we go to the C++ core guidelines. The C++ core guidelines are here, and we created the table here: row 1 column 1, row 1 column 2, row 1 column 3, and row 1 2 3 and 4 column 4, and we created the 6 rows and 4 columns. And the first experiment output is completed successfully. Thank you guys by watching my video.